Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will start with English language. We are going to start with a new topic, but do not open your books now. I will just give you the introduction first, and then we will come to books. Okay? I'm sending one sentence in the chat box. Just look at that sentence and tell me. Okay? Now, good afternoon, business. Please stop sending these messages now, because now I am going to send, and then people will get, others will get confused. Okay. 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 All of you just check your chat box. I have sent one message. I have sent one sentence. Just read that sentence in your mind. The sentence says Raman is a tall boy. The sentence says Raman is a tall boy. Okay. Now, Ansh, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if you could just tell me that in this sentence, what is the noun here? What is the noun in this sentence? Raman
Ma'am,
is a tall boy. Yes.
ma'am,
Sorry?
ma'am, Raman.
Raman. Raman is a proper noun, but
Raman.
there is. Okay, don't shout. Why are you shouting? Raman is a proper noun. There is one common noun also. Can you tell me the common noun?
And boy.
And boy. So there are two nouns in this sentence. Raman is a proper noun and boy is a common noun. Now, how is Raman? Raman is a boy. There is one word in this sentence that tells the quality of Raman, that tells us something about Raman, that is telling us something about Raman, that is describing us something about Raman, that is telling one thing about Raman. There is one, word in this sentence. Swastik, can you tell me that word? In this sentence, Raman is a tall boy. There is one word in this sentence that is telling us something about Raman. Can you please tell me that word, Swastik?
Ma'am, tall. Tall.
Tall. So in this sentence, Raman is the noun and boy is the noun. And the word tall tells us something about Raman. That Raman is a tall boy. He is a word tall is telling us something about Raman. Did you all understood? It is describing something about Raman. Look at one more sentence and then I'll tell you. Okay. Okay, one more sentence I have sent in the chat box. Roses are beautiful flowers. Roses are beautiful flowers. Now, Shreyansh, what is the noun in this sentence?
Ma'am, roses.
Roses and any other noun?
No, ma'am.
Sanjeevni, is there any other noun?
Yes, ma'am.
Sanjeevni, yes. What is the other noun?
Ma'am, flower.
Flowers. Okay. All of you, please mute yourself. There are two nouns in this sentence. Roses and flowers. All of you, please mute yourself. Anish, Riyansh, just mute yourself. There's a lot of disturbance. Roses and flowers. In this sentence, also there is one noun. Now, what kind of flowers are roses? Roses, kaise? What kind of flowers are these? Okay, okay, Mishti, can you tell me? There's one word that is telling us something about roses. What are their kind? What kind of flowers they are? Can you please tell me that word, Mishti? Mishti, can you please tell me that word? Are you there?
Us.
Ha, Mishti, what is that word?
Ma'am, I have rejoined
Huh?
the class, so I have no message.
Okay, very good. Then you
Ma'am,
keep
I
on
have
rejoining
rejoined the
only.
class,
Very good. Okay, very good, very good. Enjoy yourself. Now, Vanshita. Vanshita, you people keep on pressing the back button only, and every time I have to send the messages again and again. Okay, Vanshita,
Yes, ma'am.
can you see the sentences in your chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is that word? There are two nouns and flowers, and there's one word that is telling us something about roses that are describing the roses.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, very good. Now, in the first sentence, the word tall, and in the second sentence, the word beautiful. They tell us something about the nouns. They are telling us the quality of nouns. They are describing the nouns. Tall boy. Boy कैसा है? How is the boy? He is tall. Beautiful flowers. What kind of flowers are they? Beautiful. So these words are telling us something about the noun. They're describing the nouns. Such words are known as adjectives. Now open your English language book, page number 26. All of you. Quickly. Now, the words that tell us something about the nouns, that describe the nouns, that tell us what kind of nouns are they, good, bad, कुछ हमें विशेषता बताते हैं. In Hindi we call them विशेषण. In English we call them adjectives. Adjectives are those words that tell us about the quality of noun, that describe the nouns, that tell us what kind of nouns are they? Describing word. They are also known as describing word. They tell us something about the nouns. That is why they are known as adjectives. What are these words known as? Adjectives. Adjectives are those words that tell us something about the nouns. They describe the nouns. Like, I want to drink cold water. In this sentence, water is a noun. But what kind of water I want to drink? Cold water. So this word cold is adjective because it is telling us something about the noun. Okay, we'll practice 2-3 more examples so that you understand, and then we will do the written work. Okay, I'm sending you one more message. Oh, sorry, one more sentence. Sorry. Okay, I have sent one message, sorry, sentence. She is a kind lady. She is a kind lady. Now, Yash, please unmute yourself, and all of you please switch on the cameras. I'm not going to tell again and again. Every day I'm not going to tell. Yash, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Yash, in this sentence, she is a kind lady. What is the noun here? First, you have to look for the noun. Whenever you are going to look for the adjective, first you will look at the noun. What is the noun here?
Ma'am,
Noun.
lady.
Lady. Very good. And what kind of lady she is? Is there any word that is
Kind.
telling us? Good. So, what is the adjective here?
Ma'am, kind.
Kind is the adjective because it is telling us something about the lady. Lady के बारे में कुछ बता रहा है. It is telling us something about the lady. What kind of lady it is? She's sorry. What kind of lady she is? She is a kind lady. So you will underline the word kind, and it is known. It is the adjective in this sentence. Okay, I am sending one more sentence. Okay, I have sent one more sentence. The sentence says, I want to buy a blue dress. I want to buy a blue dress. Now, Saransh, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the noun here?
Ma'am, dress.
Dress is the noun. And what kind of dress I want to buy?
Ma'am, blue.
Blue. So, blue is the adjective here, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Blue is the adjective. What? I don't know what you children understand. आपके background में there is so much of noise. Do you listen to your teachers or do you keep talking in your background? I really don't understand. So much of disturbance in your background. Whenever you come for the class, please make sure you sit in a quiet room. Please mute yourself, Saransh. How do you people study? I really don't understand. So much of noise in your background. I have a small child back at my home, and then too, I find a place where I can sit and relax myself and actually, communicate with you all. When there is disturbance in the background, how will I teach and what will you understand? I really don't know. Okay. Okay, I have sent one more sentence. I like white cow. I like white cow. Okay, Mohak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the noun in this sentence?
Ma'am, white.
White is the noun. Please listen what I'm asking. Jaldi. Why are you in such a hurry? I'm asking you what is a noun?
Ma'am, cow.
Cow. And how is the cow? What is the color of the cow?
Ma'am, white.
So white is the adjective in this sentence. It tells us something about the noun. It tells us something about the cow. So it is the noun here. I hope adjectives are clear. We will practice the exercises and then you will get even more clear. But before that, please take out your notebooks, English language notebooks where you have written your Independence Day essay yesterday. Now, Sanjeevni,
Yes, ma'am.
have you written the full essay yesterday that I had given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now after the class, please send the picture of that essay to me because most of them were not present in the class yesterday. They thought it is a communication class. Try to attend, let it go. And we have done Independence Day essay yesterday, so I know most of you have not written because most of you didn't bother to attend the class. They thought the communication class is of no importance, but actually it is of very much importance. So please send that essay to me so that I can forward to these children in the group and they can copy it down. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can, others, those who have not written or not completed, please leave 2 pages for that essay and open to a fresh page. For today's date, classwork, give the heading chapter 10 adjective. Just write this much, I'm giving you 1 minute. You will do it in your fair English language copy. Date, classwork, chapter 10, adjective. Okay, those who have not written can leave the space and start from a fresh line. Write. It is given in your book also on page number 26. Adjectives are describing words. It is given in that box. Even I am sending you. Don't copy everything, just copy this first line. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us something about nouns, and in bracket you will write person, place, animal, animals or bird, things. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us something about nouns. See, this is the definition that you will write. I have sent in on the chat box. You can see from there. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us something about nouns. Person, places, animals or birds or things. Anybody who wants to ask anything can unmute himself or herself and ask. On a fresh page, put today's date, classwork, chapter 10, adjectives, and then you will write this definition. Adjectives are describing words. Describing means it tells us something about the nouns. They describe the noun. What kind of noun it is, they tell us. Full stop. They tell us something about nouns. Persons, places, animals or birds or things. And in the next line you will write example. Reena bought 2 balloons. My father takes drinks green tea. And after finishing, after writing the this definition, in the next line you will write these 2 examples. Reena bought 2 balloons. My father drinks green tea. You have to look for the adjectives and underline the adjectives. I have not underlined because I want you all to underline. Write the definition and then write these 2 examples. And wherever is the adjective in these sentences, please underline. I'm going to ask you all. 1 minute and write everything.
Ma'am, please tell. Ma'am, ma'am, objectives are describing words. ठीक है मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
Ane, please ask. What are you asking?
Ma'am, adjective are describing words.
Can you see the definition in the chat box or not? First, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
The entire definition is written over there. I am asking about the chat box, not the book. Chat box, mobile पे definition दिख रही है that I have sent to you or not?
No, ma'am.
Because you every time you log out, you don't know how to use phones. No, you keep on pressing the back button. I have sent again. Now you can see. Now you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
And I've sent the examples also. You have to underline the adjectives in the example. Adiba, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Jaldi jaldi likhiye. Every one of you will click the photograph and send to me whatever you have written in the notebook. And please write very neatly, especially you want. If I get dirty work, I will give you redo.
मैम एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Yes, जी मैम बताइए.
देते हैं ना ये चीज इन लोग से उसी में सिर्फ फोन में ही लगे रहते हैं, म्यूट करते हैं, कभी वीडियो हटा देते हैं. ये सब करने के लिए मना कर दीजिए कि सब कुछ ऑन करके ही पढ़ाई करें.
Ma'am, daily in the class, my half of the time goes in this only, but there are some children like Ane who will never listen. At that, because at their end I am not there, I keep on shouting every. The moment I ask question, उसका mute हो जाता है या वो meeting छोड़ देते हैं.
हाँ वो सब हटा दिया करिए, आप इन लोग को भगा दिया करिए. अगर म्यूट करे अनम्यूट करे कुछ भी करे हटा दीजिए. क्लास करने का क्या मतलब है, वो हटा के कुछ भी कर रहे होते हैं.
I know, ma'am, he is not paying attention. I know him very well. I can make out from here very clearly. Ane, I want the photograph today, whatever you have written. Otherwise, your number will go to principal, ma'am. This is the last time I'm warning you. Now she will make a call at your home. जो भी कॉपी में लिखा है, now please first of all adjust your camera. I want to see your face. Adjust your phone accordingly. सीधा रखो phone. And don't try to act over smart with me, okay? Agar daily I tell you and daily you don't send me the picture. Don't look here and there. I'm watching you very clearly. Daily I ask you to send me the picture whatever you have written, but आपकी picture कभी नहीं आती है. आज मैंने ये last time बोला, if I will not get the picture, your number will go to principal. This is the last time I'm warning you. और आज के बाद मैं कभी नहीं बोलूंगी. You understand yourself. Now I think most of you have written. Now, okay. Okay, now Mishti. In the first example, Veena bought 2 balloons. What is the adjective in the first sentence? Mishti, please tell the answer. Veena bought two balloons. So what is the adjective? Ane, sit straight. 2, very good. Okay. Now all of you please underline 2 in the first sentence, because in the first sentence 2 is the adjective and the second sentence says my father drinks green tea. All of you first of all please mute yourself. Ane, please mute yourself. There's a lot of disturbance. Mute yourself. But keep your video on. The second sentence says my father drinks green tea. Rajveer, what is the adjective in the second sentence? Rajveer?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you children lost? Am I to pay 100% attention and are you all sleeping there? I call out your names, you people are sleeping only.
Ma'am, father.
Father is the adjective. My father is the noun. I am asking about the adjective. My father drinks green tea. There's one describing word that is telling us something about the noun. And there's one more noun. हाँ बोलो.
Mom drinks.
Drinks. What is the noun? First, acha. Okay. First, look at the sentence. My father drinks green tea. What is the noun? First, first look at the sentence and tell us the nouns. जो nouns हैं पहले वो बताओ.
Tea.
Tea and father. So there are two nouns, father and tea. Now there is one word here that is telling us something about the noun. Father और tea दो noun है. Father के बारे में तो ऐसा कोई word नहीं है, but there is one word that is telling us something about the tea. What kind of tea? हाँ, tell me that word.
I'm green.
Green. So what is the adjective here?
Mom green.
Green, because this word green is telling us something about the tea. What kind of tea it is? Green tea. So you will underline the word green, and green is the adjective here. Okay, now it is clear here, examples are clear, definition is clear. Now now come to your books, exercise number C, page number 27. Exercise number C, page number 27. Okay, coming to the first sentence, let us start with Suryansh. Suryansh, please read the first sentence.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please tell the page number.
Page number 27. Very good. I will tell you, no? Should I come and work at your place? You keep, go and enjoy. I will do the work in your book. You don't know what chapter you are doing. You can't see the from the index and see. Ma'am will tell you everything. Should ma'am come and solve the exercises for you? And Rajvi, please mute yourself. Okay, read the first sentence. Exercise C. In this exercise, you have to underline the adjectives. In the sentences, there can be one adjective or more than one. You have to read the sentence and tell us about the adjectives. Suryansh, read the first sentence.
The rainbow has 7 colors.
The rainbow has 7 colors. So what is the describing word, adjective here?
Ma'am, 7.
7. Because it is telling us something about the colors. What is the noun here? Colors. And how many colors? 7 colors. So 7 is the describing word. Please underline. Ane, are you doing in the book?
Yes, ma'am.
What page number?
Ma'am 27.
Which exercise?
Ma'am question. Ma'am C.
Chalo, theek hai. Okay, next coming to Sanjeevni.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the second sentence. I hope you all are underlining simultaneously. I will call one by one your names. You will answer that particular sentence, but all the others, please keep on marking the other sentences as well. Okay, Sanjeevni, please tell us the second one.
Father bought me a new set of brushes. Ma'am, the adjective is new.
New. Father brought me a new set of brushes. So, father brought you brushes. But what kind of brushes? They are new brushes. So, the word new is telling us something about the brushes. So, this new is the adjective. You will underline new. Good, Sanjeevni. Coming to the third, Abul.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the third sentence and tell us the adjective.
The old man could not cross the deep river.
The old man could not cross the deep river. Now, please look at the sentence carefully and tell me the adjective.
Ma'am, old and deep.
Sorry?
Ma'am, old and deep.
Very good. What kind of man he is? He is old man. So the word old is also an adjective. Could not cross the deep river. What kind of river? How is the river? The river is deep. So it is the adjective. Very good. Old and deep are the adjective. See, children, if you get confused, what you can do is you can read the sentence, you can identify the nouns very carefully. So you will look at the nouns and you will see if there is any word that is telling us something about the noun. If yes, then that word is adjective. Like in this sentence, the old man could not cross the deep river. So the adjective is man and river. There are man and river. There are two nouns. I don't know how to look at the adjectives. So what I've done is, I have looked at the noun. I have identified the nouns. Man and river is the noun. Now, looking at the word man, is there any word that is telling us something about the man? Yes, there is the word old. This word old is telling me that the man is old. So, old is the adjective. And my second noun is river. So, is there any word that is telling me something about the river? It is a deep river. So, again, deep is the adjective. If you cannot identify the adjectives, you can look for the nouns. पहले nouns को देख लिया, then any word that is describing the noun is known as adjective. Okay, coming to the fourth word. Okay, Adiba, you give it a try. Read the fourth word. Adiba.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. What exercise we are doing? Read the fourth sentence. कौन सा पेज नंबर खोला है आपने बुक में?
मैम 27.
27. फोर्थ वाला सेंटेंस पढ़िए. एक्सरसाइज सी फोर्थ सेंटेंस. Read the sentence carefully. Read.
Lovely.
Lovely. Very good. Lovely.
Lovely. Roses
Very good.
grow in the garden.
Very good. Lovely roses grow in the garden. Now, first tell me what is the noun here? What is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. तो इस सेंटेंस में हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? ये जो सेंटेंस है आपका, lovely roses grow in the garden. So what is the noun? हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं अदीबा?
मैम रोज.
Very good. We are talking about the roses. और roses कैसे हैं? What kind of roses are they? बताओ. What kind of roses कैसे हैं? अच्छे हैं, बुरे हैं, खराब है, सुंदर है, beautiful है, lovely है, कैसे हैं? What kind of roses are they?
मैम ब्यूटीफुल.
अरे बेटा, वो तो बुक में क्या लिखा है, सेंटेंस में क्या लिखा है? What kind of roses are they? देखो, पढ़ो. वो कैसे हैं?
मैम
lovely. What kind of roses are they? Roses are lovely. So what is the adjective? अभी मैम ने बताया ना, adjectives tell us something about the nouns. Adjectives वो शब्द होते हैं जो हमें nouns के बारे में कुछ बताते हैं. विशेषण आपने पढ़ा है ना हिंदी में, विशेषण वही है adjective. तो यहाँ पर adjective विशेषण क्या हुआ बेटा?
मैम नाउन.
बेटा नाउन तो आपका रोज है, और रोज कैसे है? लवली है. तो लवली इज एडजेक्टिव. आप एडजेक्टिव्स ढूंढ रहे हो ना इस एक्सरसाइज में. ये चैप्टर का नाम है एडजेक्टिव्स. और एडजेक्टिव्स वो शब्द होते हैं जो हमें नाउन्स के बारे में, संज्ञा के बारे में कुछ बताते हैं. आपने हिंदी में विशेषण पढ़ा है. विशेषण वो शब्द होते हैं जो हमें संज्ञा के बारे में कुछ बताते हैं. इंग्लिश में हम क्या कहेंगे? एडजेक्टिव्स आर दोज वर्ड्स दैट टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट नाउन्स. विशेषण को इंग्लिश में एडजेक्टिव्स कहते हैं. ठीक है? तो lovely roses grow in the garden. Now roses noun है और noun के बारे में एक शब्द जो हमें कुछ बता रहा है. Nouns कैसे, roses कैसे हैं, lovely है. So lovely is the adjective here. Underline lovely. अब समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Roses, lovely roses. So you will underline the word lovely. Lovely is adjective. जो शब्द हमें संज्ञा के बारे में विशेषता बताते हैं, that are known as adjectives. उन शब्दों को विशेषण कहते हैं. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, चलो. So lovely roses grow in the garden. So here the adjective is lovely because the word lovely is telling us something about the noun. Okay. Adiba, mute yourself. Now coming to the fifth sentence. Okay, Vanshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the fifth sentence.
15 children took part in the race.
15 children took part in the race. So what is the adjective here?
Ma'am, the adjective is 15.
Very good. 15 is the word that is telling us something about the noun. What is the noun here? Children. How many children are there? 15. So 15 is the adjective. Very good. Underline the word 15, all of you. Now, I will ask you only adjectives now. You will yourself identify the noun or खुद देखो कि कौन सा word noun के बारे में आ रहा है. I should not ask nouns now. Okay. Coming to Saransh, sixth sentence.
The orange are ripe.
The orange, no. Orange or oranges? What is written over there?
Ma'am, oranges.
So please read carefully. You are a grown-up child now. Chalo, read.
The oranges are ripe and juicy.
It is not ripe, it is ripe. The oranges are ripe and juicy. Now, tell me the adjective. There can be one or more than one also.
Ripe and juicy are adjective.
Very good. In this sentence, the word ripe and juicy are telling us something about the oranges. So both these words, ripe and juicy, underline, they are adjectives. Good. The oranges are ripe and juicy. You will underline the word ripe and juicy. Okay. Coming to Mohak. Third.
Yes, ma'am. The little children refuse to take the better
Seventh word.
medicine.
Yes, ma'am. Nahi, I'm a... The little child, no, I am going to mark you for all this. First of all, please switch on the camera. And second word, and secondly, I'm going to mark you for all this. I'm reading everything you are reading wrong. The little children or little child, क्या लिखा है? What is written over there? I'm going to give you marks for all this. I'm telling you. You cannot read what is... So what are you reading? You are reading children. Chalo, read the sentence again quickly.
The child refused to take the better medicine.
The little child refused to take the bitter medicine. So tell me the adjectives now.
Ma'am, little.
And
Ma'am, and better.
bitter, better nahi, bitter it is. Bitter means kadvi. The little child. The child is little. So little is adjective. Refuse to take the bitter medicine. Bitter means kadvi. So underline the word little and bitter. Okay. Okay. Rajveer, eighth one, quickly.
Yes, ma'am. Rahul is
Eighth word, quickly.
Rahul is intelligent but lazy.
Okay, tell me the adjectives now.
Ma'am, intelligent.
And one more adjective is there.
I'm lazy.
Intelligent and lazy are the two words that tell us something about Rahul. Good. Avantika, ninth one. Rinku has a very sweet voice. So what is the adjective here? Huh? Voice नहीं है adjective. Voice is noun. Any word that is telling you something about the noun. And please switch on your camera first of all. हाँ कोई हाँ. Sweet. Sweet. Rinku has a very sweet voice. Underline the word sweet. Sweet is the adjective because it is telling us something about the voice. Okay. Now, your homework is you will do the remaining sentences. There are only 4, 5, I think, that are left. You will do these remaining sentences in the book. You will underline the adjectives. And exercise B also you will do. There's one paragraph, D, page number 28. There's one paragraph. You have to underline all the adjectives. You have to read the paragraph carefully and you will underline all the adjectives. We will discuss tomorrow in the class, okay? And then I will give you worksheet. Worksheet you will do it in the copy. Okay, I'm ending class now. We'll meet at 3 o'clock for the EVS science class, okay? Bye-bye. Bye for now, all of you.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye,
Bye.
ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Bye, friends. Bye bye. Tata. See you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, students. Bye.